How do you like if you get paid by identifying spam, by drawing a few boxes around, by taking some exams and taking it to the level, and getting paid on your PayPal with no limitations? You like the sound of that? This is what I'm going to show you today, guys, how you can get paid by drawing some boxes around some images, on how to identify spam, and I'm going to show you how you can take exams on this site to upgrade to the next level. Before we go ahead and start this task today, I would like to ask you, as always, if you haven't already, to click the subscribe button over here on the right side. It follows the video all the way along, so it would be an honor if you can click the subscribe, be part of my channel. It would be great and honor, because I can get feedback from you as well and get improved. And as always, if you like the content of this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. So before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you to pay attention all the way to the end, because this is a very nice site, and I'm sure you're gonna love it and bring you some money and some income, and you're gonna enjoy it. So let's go ahead and start this site. What I'm talking to you about, guys, today, what I'm referring to today is this site called Remote Tasks. You're gonna find the link to all the links related on the description below, and you're gonna find the link to register also on the bottom. So once you find, just click and it will bring you to the page. Once you click the link, guys, it will bring you to the sign up page, and from here you can use the sign up with your Facebook, so you don't have to remember too many passwords. You click the agree, and you come to this site. Yeah, so this is the original site after you sign up. Very easily, as I told you, click the link below in the description. It will bring you to the sign up page, and from here, once you sign up, you come to this page. Now, how these sites work, guys? Yeah, well, as I told you at the beginning of this video, you're getting paid by doing some very easy tasks, like drawing boxes around cars, moderating content, identify spam, or categorizing t-shirts. Yeah, so pretty easy. Yeah, nothing crazy about it. So here is some example that's displaying. 1 second, let it load up really quick. And the nice part, guys, you're getting paid every week by PayPal. Every single week you get paid by PayPal, no limitations. So let me see. As you can see here, this is one way. You hear the sound, and you need to submit the task after you do some changes. It will give you step-by-step instructions. So here's one of the steps you do. You just click the sound, you fix it based on what you're hearing. Do not include verbatim. That means do not include arms or blah, like I'm doing a lot. And then you hit the submit task. Or the other one is just draw boxes. As you can see, there are little cards, and you put the boxes around. Pretty easy, yeah? So the other one is to categorize the different stuff. It says Beat Studio. What is Beat Studio? It's a headphones. You submit the task. That's it. Time to get paid. As I said, pretty easy. You put your PayPal account, and the most important thing with these guys, you don't have any limitations. Most of the site you put a limitation on the PayPal account. Here you don't have any limitations to put. So as I told you, just find the link below here. I'm gonna give you another heads up on this one. Once you use the sign up to come to this page and you sign up, there is another nice trick that you can use besides the task you do, like we showed us now, to get paid. You have this here, which is earn $10. So by using this, the earn $10, you're gonna receive a link like the one I have in my description, and once people start to get registered, you will receive a $10 bonus. Like if you do right now, you get the $10, I get the $10 as well, and once you refer, it goes along the way. You get $10, and the guy who registers gets $10 as well, and goes along, which is also another nice thing, another very nice feature. Yeah. Now, once you're here, start with the beginner tutorial, and you are able to view exams. And once you've taken the exams, guys, you are able to unlock more levels. So what I want you to do is start taking the exams. It's very easy. Don't worry, don't panic. Just stay focused on what you do when you're taking the exams. It's on the different tasks. They give you different exams. So once you pass the task, it will give the exam. It will give you more tasks that you are able to complete and take advantage of the task they will give you. Get more money out of it. You have up to 3 times to take an exam, so don't worry for any reason the first time you didn't understand something or you did something wrong, so you have 3 times to take each exam and unlock the next level. So this is it, guys. Remote Task, it's a great site. As I told you, you're able to refer people and get up to $10 very easily to do. All you need to do, guys, is as I told you, to identify some tasks and just hear the audio, fix whatever is telling you. You're gonna hear the audio, and then you're gonna see if the audio is correct with the words, and you need to correct the words. Once you correct based on what you're hearing, you should submit the task. This is one form of task you need to complete. The other one is draw boxes. As I told you, very easily you see the cars and you draw the boxes around the cars. And the final one is just to categorize what kind of materials give you. Like for example here gives you Beat Studio. What is Beat Studio? Headphones, submit task, and that's it. Fantastic way, getting paid every week, no limitation. Give it a shot. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Start doing it today. I hope you like the content of this video. Very short video, but I think you're gonna enjoy it, the content of this video. So with no further ado, guys, I'm gonna ask you to, again, if you haven't already, click the thumbs up if you like the content, and to subscribe to my channel. It would be a great honor to have you. I would like to hear your feedback as well, so that's why I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel. And I wish you to start using this method and make a lot of money. Give me your feedback. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys.